Your thoughts?
I disagree with Adam and Renee on this point.
Oh,
I think that, you know, under these circumstances, I think it makes sense that he would be advised, or just common sense, to stay away. He clearly has been accused by his brother-in-law. The place was crawling with media. I don't know what good he could have done for himself or his missing wife by being there. It almost seemed like it was a lose-lose situation for him. So I don't find it highly unusual that he would avoid that particular venue based on the facts that I just underlined. As far as him wandering around the woods with a shotgun, unusual, but again, in context, the terrain they live in, people deal with grief in different ways. It sounds like he was putting up trail cams. It's that time of the year. People are hunting. Now, don't get me wrong, Ted. I mean, there's clearly an aura of suspicion associated with this gentleman, but I think we have to be careful judging the behaviors that occurred today.
It can't be just that, Fred over here, he's built walls all his life. He thinks it's
right.
suspicious. They're going to need more than that, won't they?
Well, I think so, but I think they start with asking for permission. I mean, they're looking for a missing mother. We don't know who this private property owner is, so I suspect that, they could get past some of these obstacles by simply asking for permission. But I don't rule out that there's probable cause in this matter. I don't think we know what the durate or what the distance is between her last known whereabouts in this particular location. But if you were to draw up a search warrant that said a woman went missing on this date and we have this distance and we see earth that's been moved unnaturally, I think most judges would probably grant you the permission to go on that property and conduct some limited search.
Yeah, well,